Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to compare two different ad providers for Unity mobile games. So the first one, I'm going to be comparing Unity ads and Google AdMob. So first, let's start with the pros and cons of each of them. So I'm going to head on to the pros and cons, and I'm going to go to the Unity. So the pros of the Unity are that Unity is actually very simple to integrate or implement. So it's actually very easy because all I have to do is import a specific package, then just simply use the Unity add reference, and then just add a couple of functions and it should work fine. But on the other hand, Google AdMob is harder because you have to link a Google AdMob account to your Unity game, then using a third-party ad provider to make it work. And another thing is that Unity ads will not be disabled if there is no activity. So Google AdMob is usually disabled when there's no activity, so if you're a small game dev team or game publisher, I would recommend using Unity ads. But if you already have a couple of hundreds of daily players, you should use Google AdMob. But let's jump into other pros and cons. The cons are that there's a limit for the ads shown per day for every user. There's about like 25 ads can be shown for every user every day. So that's kind of a big restriction. But if you as well don't have much people to watch those ads, this would be better. On the other hand, Google AdMob doesn't have a limit for ads shown per day. It can be unlimited, which is great. And then there's also, you can use third-party ad providers. So you can use other, like maybe Google AdSense, you could use other Google ad providers, which will be able to be editable in the AdMob preferences. But there are also a couple of problems. The game will be disabled if there's not enough activity in the game when you're using Google AdMob. So if you're a small publisher, this won't really be the best choice for your game. So you should probably use a different ad provider. But if you have a lot of players, you should use probably this. Another problem with Google AdMob is that there will be errors if the game is not on Google Play. So this means that if the game is not on Google Play, but it's on like Apple App Store or something like Amazon App Store, it won't really work correctly, and there might be a lot of bugs and similar experiences. So what I recommend based on my experience, I recommend Unity ads because it is far easier to implement and more stable than Google AdMob. I had a lot of friends message me that their AdMob account was somehow blocked for no known reason. So I just really recommend Unity ads because I didn't hear any of stories that made Unity ads bad when not working, and that's why it's more stable than Google AdMob. But if you have a lot of experience with Google AdMob, you might use Google AdMob for your choice. So if you can ask others' opinions on our Discord server. So if you want to join our Discord server, the link is in the description below. So free to join our server. And then thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Stay tuned for more of this content.